Hello and welcome to this video on how to install your Creo software. First of all, we're on the PTC website, so I'm going to start by going to the eSupport page by clicking eSupport in the top right corner. I'm now going to log into my PTC account and I'm going to scroll down to download software. I'm now going to click on order or download software updates, click on Creo parametric, and I'm going to go to Creo 7 and find the latest build and download it for Windows. When you've downloaded the Creo software, you'll find that it comes in a zip file, so you can unzip that. Once it's unzipped, you can just go into the folder and start up the executable. We've already set up our license, so I'm just going to go to install new software and hit next. Agree to the terms and conditions, hit next again. You can see here that it's recognized the floating license, hit next. And I'm just going to install Creo parametric for now. Hit next. I'm going to go to the command configuration and edit my extensions. So I'm going to select the top of the list, scroll down, press shift, select the bottom, and then hit this arrow in the middle to move it across and hit OK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and install it. Once the status bars are all showing complete, just hit finish. And now your Creo software is installed. Thanks for listening.